Yeah. This place is pretty cool. Oh, did you see the snake? The snake? Guys, he will eat you up. So will this big old tiger. I don't know what this is. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is April with April's Afterlife Encounters, and today we are exploring the Indian Springs State Park. And we're at this rose garden right this moment, and take a look at this, guys. This is absolutely incredible. Look at this. It's got a pond. It's like a Japanese Zen garden. Oh, guys, look what we have here. We have Panda. He tried to sneak up on me, guys. But this is just like a complete Zen garden. It's beautiful. It's got a bridge that we can cross across the garden. This is so incredible. Right here we have Buddha, the silverfish, and the rabbit all meditating. I don't know what kind of things those are, but those are pretty cool. Sorry, guys. I guess this is the Welcome to Asia garden. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. And Indian Springs, sorry guys, Indian Springs has a lot of early 1800s history. I'm going to get more into that when we get down here closer to the main area. But right now, let's head into this new garden. Wow. That's the thinking man, I believe. If anybody knows, put it in the comment below if you know what this statue is. I guess this is Welcome to Europe. This place is incredible. It's absolutely beautiful. Let me show you. I guess it's supposed to be like a European garden with a beautiful fountain in the middle. Wow, this is really nice, guys. I'm not sure what, I guess that would be the Greek gods. There's, heck, I don't know. If you guys know who these Greek statues are, let me know in the comments below. That guy is King Titan. And I don't know who that is or who that is. So, like I said, if you know who these people are, let me know in the comments below. Go up here to the statue. Not yet. I haven't made it over there yet. Oh wow. So pretty out there, dude.
Naked babies. I never understood the naked baby thing. I don't get it.
I don't get it either. Guys, why do most beautiful statues consist of naked babies? That's what my husband wants to know. If you have the answer to that, put it in the comments below. Of course, this is the Virgin Mary.
She's standing on a snake, ain't she? Like, remember how
It does.
in that picture in that prison? They said, why is she on a snake?
Right. And she's standing on the serpent, guys.
Virgin Mary.
Stomping out evil. Sorry about that glare, guys. There's something over here I want to check out. Isn't that beautiful? There is, I guess, a pavilion or stadium, amphitheater, or something to that effect. But this place is absolutely gorgeous. It's the Whimsical Botanical Gardens. And apparently every section is dedicated or themed after a country. So this is the European. We were just in the Asian. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, guys. You guys are never going to believe what we just came across at this place. I don't even know if we're supposed to be down here, but nobody said anything yet. But look at this, guys. A giant chess set. Now, if anybody knows how to play chess, you can come down here and teach me how. And we'll use this. Not to mention, there's a train. It's the Marvelous Mavericks Adventureland. It's a helicopter, a John Deere tractor, and they have a Caterpillar backhoe or bulldozer, and they have giant chairs for the parents to sit in or the grandparents to sit in while the kids play. What? Guineas? Like guinea pin? Guinea hens?
Big old guinea.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. They also have a little farm with sheep and cows and pigs and those giant guinea hens back there. It's it is what?
I know it's a plane, but what is the design? What's the design?
I don't know what that would be used for. Oh, it's for a wheelchair. Okay, that is cool. Me having a special needs son, I completely understand what that accessibility. The swing is made for a handicapped child with a wheelchair. I saw those. Aren't those cool? Big rocking chairs. Let me see. Let me see. I bet I look like a tiny itty bitty person, don't I? Look at these things. They're huge. But guys, there's much more to see, so I'll be back with you.
Park, baby.
It goes down around, I think.
See, we're on waiting. Charming Princess Paradise.
And look, guys, there's a train
We got this little house.
and a
Princess
house.
Paradise. The box on the right.
This is a giant dollhouse for little girls, guys. Like, no joke. It's the Charming Channing Princess House.
Sleeping Beauty or whatever.
Yeah, it's got all kinds of cute stuff in it. Let's go see what's in here. It's got the train. It has the train. And the dollhouse. Guys, this is a giant dollhouse. Guys, a giant dollhouse for little girls.
This is the Princess House for little girls.
Oh my goodness. Never walked into a place like this. It's super cool. It even has chandelier. Isn't that cool? This is absolutely adorable. It's got the kitchen. It's got the bedroom. It has a fireplace. It shows an upstairs, but there's no way to get up there, so. Let's see what's out this door. Oh my gosh, there's a lion over there, guys. I think we're fixing to head into Africa. I do believe that's where we're headed. So let's pretend we're on an African safari. And there are the lions, guys. I wonder, do they see us? Goodness. Terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. Next we have the elephants and a lazy chimp and a big cat and an eagle. And let's not forget, oh, the giraffe, he was in there too. I almost didn't see him. And the zebra. And there's the huge dollhouse again, guys. That's a giant dollhouse for little girls. Every little girl's dream, guys. It's even got the princess carriage there. Let's get back to Africa, guys. We're going through the deep, dark jungle. And what do we see? Oh, there's parrots. Parrots, guys. I wonder, Polly want a cracker? Does Polly want a cracker? Does Polly want a cracker? Clickbait, guys. They don't talk. They're just porcelain or whatever they're made of. Concrete. But this is absolutely beautiful. I did not know that this was down here. And to be honest with you guys, I don't live but 5 minutes from here. Did you hear that? What was that? Oh, there's a bear and a frog. Look at that sucker over there. Look at that sucker. He over there. And I hear frogs and crickets, I guess. But look at that bear. He's fishing. It goes around. There's a gazebo. Oh, look at this. This is super cool. It's a horse, I guess a horse carriage seat. Isn't that just super cool? And he thought he was going to get away with hiding from us, guys. Look who's over there. It's Humpty Dumpty. He sat on a wall.
Check out the baby bears there.
Look at him being slick and all that. He'd been stalking us, I guess. Here's a mama grizzly and her little babies. Well, black bear, grizzly bear. This place is just absolutely beautiful. Oh, we're fixing to get...
No swimming allowed. I don't think they got to worry about that.
This is absolutely beautiful, guys. Okay, we're fixing to be in Antarctica. Well, this is the most tropical Antarctica I've ever seen. Oh, there's our little portion of Antarctica. That's all there is of Antarctica, guys. Sorry. That is cool. Jump roping child. Oh wow, there's fresh tomatoes. We're going through, I guess, the farm. Looks like there's a farm or barn. Real tomatoes and beans and corn. Yeah. Oh, here we are, guys. We are in Australia. We done made it to Australia, guys. There's some peacocks and ducks and all them other critters. This is like a farm. There's a farm with garden here and a garden here with the cows. Looky there, the cows. Yeah, I see it. And it's an old building of some sort, I guess the barn or something. But it goes all the way over around to this way. Let's see. And we're welcoming to North America, guys. North America. Land of the home, the brave, and the free. And there's our Mother Liberty. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, there's a big old polar bear. Wow.
There's a cow.
My light's not going to be very good here, guys. But I'll take some photos and you can see.
That's about it for this place. Oh, I got a picture of that eagle out there. Pretty cool with it. I didn't see him.
This is the and of North America, I believe. We're going into some... It says, thank you for visiting Indian Springs. This is a cool little old building.
That's cool.
Oh wow, that is cool.
Oh, grass cutter.
There's some...
Yes, well.
Okay guys, we're headed on down to the Indian Springs State Park part of this video.